Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is David and today we are talking about XRP. A lot of interesting news to go over. Obviously the main thing is Coinbase supporting Ripple in the case versus the SEC. Everyone is going crazy. Is that alluding towards a listing with XRP? We will talk about that in today's video. But the thing I've always seen online recently, especially with Andrew Tate, being the most Google man on the planet, is escaping the matrix. That's his main thing. Neo, escape the matrix. I'm seeing it time and time again. Leave your 9 to 5 and escape the matrix. Now, obviously, within the crypto space, I've seen time and time again is financial freedom and generational wealth. Now, what separates the two? When I see generational wealth, it's sort of escaping the crypto market or staking whenever you want to hold your crypto forever, but reaching that 7 and 8 figure sort of level so you can live, retire, all that stuff, yada, yada, yada. But for escaping the matrix, my interpretation of that is having location freedom and waking up when you want, not having, someone's not telling you what to do, when to wake up, when to go to work, and having location freedom. I think that's the main two categories. Now, how much XRP do you need to escape the matrix? Well, it's always personal to you. As I say, with XRP, it is a ticking time bomb. You can never own enough, but I think we're going to, resolvement with the case in 2023, probably Q2 of 2023. So it's a ticking time bomb. You've really got to stack up as much as you can because we don't think we'll see these levels with XRP under the dollar ranges, especially ever again, in my opinion. So my advice would be go up 1%, then you already are. Try and aim for that before XRP and the Ripple case is actually over. Also, I think escaping the matrix is a lot more attainable than generational wealth because even the people who have supposedly escaped the matrix, they're living in, second world countries where the cost of living is a lot lower than the UK or the US or first world sort of countries, and they're living freely just because they're earning money online from their laptop. They're getting zero tax and zero crypto tax. A lot of these places, it is insane. Going to go further into that. A lot of news. Stay around to the end. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, so here we have the big news. Coinbase has filed a request to file an amicus brief in support of Ripple's fair notice defense. 1 foot is through the door. It would make a lot of sense for them to relist XRP. Obviously, we talked about in that process with the settlement occurring. Obviously, relistings of XRP, having to buy supply, sell XRP is going to actually drive the price of XRP to the upside. Also, so many amicus briefs have been filed. List of companies here. Spend a bit. iRemit, Crypto Council, Innovation, Investors Choice Advocates Network, the Blockchain Association, TapJets, Coinbase, Valhalla Capital LLC. I think it was TapJets and iRemit stated that they believe XRP is a currency. And not only that, is essential to their business because the majority of their business operates outside of banking hours. One company that is actually missing from this list is the Chamber of Digital Commerce, one of the first filings, if not the first filing, in support of Ripple. Also, this is very interesting news. Yesterday, XRP Ledger NFTs are here. A lot of information I want to go over. XLS20 presents a considerable milestone for developers and builders utilizing XRP ELK for the NFT projects and apps. Now, so many people are closed-minded. They push away NFTs. They call them a scam without actually even looking at what NFTs actually are. It is literal digital ownership. Everything and anything will be tokenized. NFTs have utility. Obviously, there's a lot of flipping that goes on. There's a buyer and a seller. We saw a lot of that in 2021 and the start of 2022, but there was money to be made. I made a lot of money. A lot of people missed out because they didn't give it a chance. The same people didn't give Bitcoin a chance in 2012 or 2013 because they just thought it was a scam instantly. Now, how is this going to benefit XRP? Well, we saw NFTs on Ethereum heavily benefit ETH. Solana doing crazy exits. Solana NFTs popping off right now with HBAR NFTs at an all-time high. I think they're going to be one of the main ones in the next bull run. And they both see the potential in relation to Hedera and Ripple, where we saw the HBAR Foundation commit, I think it was $360 million to ecosystem projects, including NFTs, and Ripple, $250 million creator fund. They see the potential for this market, and so do I. Also, this is very, very interesting. XRP right now, I don't know how legit this is, but breaking Visa $1 trillion company to launch Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple XRP wallet. Ripple XRP wallet. During the case, this is very, very interesting. Global financial services behemoth Visa has filed 2 crypto-related trademark applications with the US Patent and Trademark office, detailing plans to manage cryptocurrency transactions and create a virtual environment in which users can interact for recreational, leisure, or entertainment purposes. The only problem with all of this is that Ripple and XRP are not mentioned in the actual original tweet. I can't see Ripple and XRP being mentioned anywhere, so it probably was just for clicks. The only connection I can think of is when Visa had a $930 million acquisition of Currency Cloud, which is a partner of Ripple. That's the only connection I can personally see, but nonetheless, it is positive for cryptocurrency. Also, Ripple, 90% of central banks are exploring CBDCs, up from 80% in 2021 now. A lot of mixed opinions on CBDCs. A lot of people think CBDCs are generally bad for cryptocurrency, but you have to realize that CBDCs need a blockchain, and the crypto industry already has functioning, working blockchains. And so you're going to have to see these crypto companies, these crypto projects cooperate with central banks to create CBDCs. We're seeing that right now, specific projects that we know of and talk about on the channel. So what is that going to do? It's going to drive demand up, more adoption, the price of these assets involved. Okay, so I want to revert back to the title of the video. Now, if you watch this video right now and you're investing in cryptocurrency, you're trying to make a better life for your future, and whoever is involved within your life, I would say you're not in the matrix. You're trying to do better for yourself. And obviously the matrix goes well beyond money. It goes well beyond investing, but this is a crypto investing channel, so we're going to stay in that sort of lane. Now, when it comes to fear and greed, the sort of people that see fearful in the markets, they see prices down and leave the markets. They come back when prices are at an all-time high. Everyone is talking about cryptocurrency. There's that level of security because everyone's going on about it. They keep buying green candles, lose a lot of money on their investments. They repeat the process over and over, blame everyone but themselves. Those people, I'd still say, are stuck in the matrix. The same sort of people that see articles of big banks, entities, write about cryptocurrency, saying bad things about crypto and let that influence their investing. Like JP Morgan saying that cryptocurrency is a decentralized Ponzi scheme, or just referring to Bitcoin, and they won't invest in Bitcoin anymore because of that reason. It is insane. To answer how much, as I said at the start of the video, just try and go up 1%. Even if you're not in the top 10%, try and just get to 10%. Obviously not financial advice. I just think in terms of cryptocurrency, trying to look at the rich list, there's probably a rich list for the cryptocurrencies that you're invested in, and try and go up a percentage by whatever date you need to get it by. 2 tweets very quickly. Want to go over here. Top trending assets and Uphold. People who actually use Uphold are very smart. XRP, Casper, XEC, HBAR, XLM. I don't use it because there's problems with selling certain assets or withdrawing with Casper, whatever. But this is very cool nonetheless. And lastly, Elon. Blue badge, $8 a month. You can get a tick. And also, if you're on Twitter, you create content. This will also give Twitter a revenue stream to reward content creators. So that could be a possible income if you're popping off on Twitter, constant tweets, threads, blah, blah, blah. Get going. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. And if you like this video, go and check this XRP one where I talk about, are you part of the 0.01% of XRP, or are you in the top 10% of XRP holders? Go and check it out. But it's a fun video. Thank you very, very much for watching. Please leave a like down below, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.